So if your Mopit is dead, it doesn't turn on, the charger light shows green, then most likely your machine needs to be reset. To reset your Mopit, you just pull the fuse out of the fuse holder and reinsert it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So make sure your switches are off. Go ahead and pull your hoses out of the fittings. Grab your latches, lift up on those. You can take the top tank off and just set it aside. Once that's set aside, you'll see this little fuse holder. Grab your fuse, that's your fuse there. And then we're gonna reinsert that and put this tank back on. Put your latches on. There's 3 of these. Put your hoses in. Okay, once the machine is fully assembled again, let's go ahead and plug the machine in. And once you have your Mopit plugged in, we want to make sure that the light goes red. It's here on the back. And once it's red, let that machine fully charge before you use it again.